In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all or multiple emails in Gmail at once. This is a handy skill, especially when you want to declutter your inbox quickly and efficiently. Whether you're trying to manage your digital space or simply starting fresh, this guide will help you achieve just that. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, log in with your Gmail credentials if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're at your inbox view to get started. The next thing you need to do is decide which emails you want to delete. You can choose to delete all emails from your inbox or select specific ones. To delete all emails, first, scroll down to the very bottom of your email list to ensure all your latest messages are loaded. This step prevents any accidental omission of emails that might be on later pages. Once you're ready, move your cursor to the top left part of the inbox where you'll see a small checkbox. Click on this checkbox to select all emails that are currently visible on the page. You might notice a little message appears on top of your mail saying, "All X conversations on this page are selected." If you want to delete emails beyond just the ones visible on the page, click where it says, "Select all conversations in inbox." This ensures every email residing in your inbox is included in your selection. Now that you have every email you wish to delete selected, look towards the toolbar just above your emails. You'll see an icon that looks like a trash bin. Click on this trash bin icon. A confirmation message will pop up, typically at the top center of your screen, asking if you're sure you want to perform this action. Proceed by clicking OK or Delete when prompted. And that's it. All selected emails should now move to your Gmail trash folder. One important note is that deleting your emails transfers them to the trash, where they will stay for 30 days before being automatically erased. If you want to delete them permanently before this period, navigate to your trash folder. Once inside, click Empty Trash Now at the top to remove everything instantly. And there you have it, a quick guide to clearing out your Gmail inbox. Doing this periodically can help to ensure you're only keeping the emails you need and that your inbox doesn't get too cluttered over time. Make it a habit to manage your inbox, perhaps by archiving essential emails or labeling them for better organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on digital organization and fall in love with a tidy inbox.